All right, so here we have a bunch of different shapes, and we're going to see how we can change these shapes by using the Pathfinder. So if I don't see a Pathfinder anything here, I'm going to go up to Windows and go to Pathfinder. And you can see I can actually put it right there if I want to, and I can also bring it out and expand it by using those little chevron marks. Okay, the Pathfinder is, let's see, I think I can move it in here too. Let's take it that way. I guess not. I'm sure there's a way. All right, so what this is going to do is this is going to merge shapes. So I'm going to take two shapes on top of one another. And with my selection tool, I'm going to highlight both of those. You can see they're both selected. And as I go over here, you can see if I hover over them, it's going to tell you what it's going to do. So first one, unite. And what that does is it combines the two shapes. Notice it gave the fill of the other shape right there. So now that is one shape. It will work as one shape. And I can still go to the direct selection, and you can see how that unique shape might have different properties if you go in there. All right, so Command Z is undo. So let's bring that back over here again. Select them both. And this next one is minus the front. So it's not going to do anything. Let's see what it does if there's a fill on that. Still nothing. Okay. Next one, intersect. Nothing. Sometimes there really is no effect. This one excluded part of the top. So what it did is it cut out pieces. A lot of these I find that you do have to practice with them and see what they do. Most of the time you're going to use like the merge and the minus front. Let's divide it. So this is going to break it up into sections. Trim, just trim the top. Now where this comes in is, let's see something like this. Let's do this and say divide. So I just took a really kind of cool chunk out of that top part. And if we went in here and did merge, not as much. What this does is when you like merge crop, yeah, that didn't do anything of value. Outline gives you an outline. But again, let's do the divide. And it just divides it out. So it just cuts out that shape. It gives it like a little stamp. Where this is useful is if you're trying to, let's make a line. Like, let's say I want to, I got to give it a size. Let's say I want to split something like this, and I can just click it there. Nope, that did not do what I wanted to. I hit the wrong one. Click there, and I wanted to, let's see. There we go. So I had to use the different arrow to split those apart. Okay. Now if I want to move this around or angle it, I just go here. And if I hit control click or right click, you can see I can move this around. Inside of here, you can see the reflection, and that will create a reflection of it, horizontal or vertical. And if you want to make a copy of it, it will duplicate the copy in that particular shape. So if you did a horizontal or a vertical, this is one that the Pathfinder tool is something that you do need to use, but it's one of those things that you just kind of have to play around with as well to really see it start to work.